Hi, my name is Kris Roberts. I'm the managing partner here at the Roberts Tax Group located in downtown Torrington. What I wanted to talk to you about today was filing delinquent tax returns. Now, this happens more often than you would think. We deal with a lot of taxpayers who haven't filed in 2 years, 4 years, even 10 years. We're working on with a client right now who hasn't filed since 2002. So it does happen. Generally what happens in a situation like this is some sort of negative life event has happened. Perhaps the person has lost a job, or gotten a divorce, or there's been a death in the family, or loss of a business. There's usually some main event that has taken them off the straight and narrow path and has had them not file their tax returns. And what happens is they don't file 1 year, and then the second year comes and they start feeling guilty about not filing the first year, so they ignore the second year, and then the third year comes, and so on and so forth. What I want to let you know is you gotta file those returns. It never goes away. The IRS is always out in the background creeping on you, waiting to send you notices. Now, if you wait too long and the IRS starts sending you notices and you ignore their notices, they will file what they call a substitute return, which means they'll take the income that they have on record for you receiving and they'll file a return for you, and they won't give you any deductions that you're entitled to, so that the tax return and the tax liability on the substitute return is going to be the maximum amount that they can collect. And they're going to use that as your tax return instead of a true correct return. And that's when the penalties and the interest start piling up. We're working with a client right now. He's got over $19,000 in penalties. So these things should not be ignored. Now, a lot of times people are like, well, I know I'm going to owe and I don't have the money, so I don't want to file the returns and have the IRS realize I owe them money. That's valid, but that shouldn't stop you from filing the returns. Because once you file the returns and we can figure out exactly how much you owe, there are payment options that can help ease the burden. That's a conversation for another video. But if you're in a situation where you haven't filed tax returns for 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 15 years, or in some cases we've got clients who don't even know when they filed their return last, let us know. We can help you out. You can find us on the web at www.rtg.tax. You can even find us on Facebook. Thanks and have a great day.